Tuscan cornmeal cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone. These unusual but delicious cookies start off with a cake mix. That's a golden cake mix. Add to that 2/3 of a cup of cornmeal, 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, which is a little bit strange for cookies, but makes them taste great, a tablespoon of lemon zest, and 1½ teaspoons of finely chopped fresh rosemary, and a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Blend this all together and you'll end up with a kind of soft and super sticky cookie dough. I use a cookie scoop, works great. You're going to put mounds of the dough onto a cookie sheet covered with a silicone mat or parchment paper. Leave a couple of inches in between because they spread a little bit. Bake at 350 for about 9 to say 14 minutes, depending if your cookie sheet is insulated or not, until they're just a tiny bit brown around the edges and they're set in the center. These are actually amazing cookies. They have a cake-like texture, as you can see from the photograph here. The rosemary flavor is not overpowering. It's subtle but very present. And that combination with the cornmeal just makes them absolutely delicious. They're very unusual, but I think you will love them. I hope you give them a try. It is absolutely amazing what you can do with a cake mix and turn it into something amazing, and no one will ever know you started off with a cake mix. I have a playlist of a whole bunch of these recipes. A couple of the recipes will be on your screen if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching.